The Glassbreak sensor takes a single CR123A lithium 3-volt battery and has a life expectancy of up to 3 years, depending on placement and usage. To change your Glassbreak sensor's battery, slide the front part of the device up and toward the pairing button to remove it from its bracket. You may need to use light pressure or force to press the front of the sensor in and then slide it toward the button. If your sensor is not wall-mounted, you can hold it in your hands with the front of your sensor facing your palms. Then, slide the back cover or bracket off and away from the pairing button. Once the backing plate has been removed, replace the battery. Then, slide the sensor back onto its bracket. If your sensor is still offline after taking these steps, you may need to remove it and add it back to your system. You can learn more about these steps on our Help Center and within the How to Replace Glassbreak Sensor Battery Guide. Need further assistance? Visit us at support.simplysafe.com.